I impugn those remarks. I do distinctly remember paying for the Wi-Fi, like one time, and then I think I paid for the pizza that one time your sister came over. So anytime you got those haters talking that mess, you're like, nah, I impugn that. I impugn what you talking about. One time you might come across that word if you're in a competition where you have to prove your manliness, and one of the events is a foot race with the late, great Barry Allen, and part where they had that chick holding the little handkerchief. It's Iris West. She's doing her thing, you know. On your mark, get set. And she releases those fingers, and all you hear is impugn. Impugn is actually a verb. You can do the act of impugning. What that is to take someone's character, for example, and you attack it and oppose it as if it were false or that it's lacking integrity. So like, you can be in court with your baby mama and she telling the judge, Your Honor, he has not paid a single bill in his life. I had to pay for everything even though he promised to do it. And then you can be like,